Henda, you are now entering a space for black history, a voice for the voiceless. The Habinga on the line revolution. A marriage of chillers and platform that will last longer than it girls' marriage. Welcome to Black Excellence. Do not fear, for if you do, just sip on some grandeur. And if you still do, ask ourselves, what would Mapapunzi do? Parama chilla, itlesha lefiki. Ungoyigi, even if when they ask you, Ausabiini, do not fear. If you do, just say, Anistivi. This is the medicine of censorship. This is the pill. Which one is that one? Podcast and chill.
Hey!
Hey yo, we back with another video. Big Zulu podcast and chill reactions. Let's watch this one.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Please welcome the biggest rapper in the fucking country, Big Zulu.
Uyaphila.
Right when
Sikhona.
it's my first time here, you know that.
Serious?
Guys, I just wanna say, if you have never been Mai, do yourself a favor. Take that taxi to Echobeke, and then when you get there, just ask them to show you Mai. It's one of the best places if you need proper meat that you will ever find in Joburg. Mai. Check that place out, man. Support black businesses.
Phila khona ke la ilasiphila khona nensizwa sami osibali nje sidle inyama sidle isopho lencuba bilasiphelela khona la sizinsizwa.
Which pop is this one? Because mina ngimvena le ayisiyazi le.
Uphuthu lona. Uphuthu kusho ukuthi yabona mawudla inyama nje siyithanda ngophuthu neyenhloko futhi siyithanda ngophuthu.
Ya inhloko ngifuna le sopo bathi nimhluzo bathi
ya
umhluzo
ya isopo umhluzo kuseyinto eyodwa kodwa ke ufuna ukuthi angithi yabona mangabe ufike la ungawuthola uhamba wodwa uvuna uhambe nalo ikhanda lenkomo bese uthola okuncane ke sizokhona ukuthi sikhathazele phakathi ukhona ukuthi ube namandla ube indoda uqine uyayibona into leyo.
They say that it helps with when you're rocking.
Ya induku rocker hayi ama rocker lawo mawunomama uya
Amaroka. Mama.
Bona mangabe unomama umama unokufikelwa injabulo ngenxa ukuthi unokufike wenza izinto eningasazenzi uyabo ya uthola ukukhona la ungasakhona ukufika khona kumama mangabe unaye uyabo yaphelelwa kodwa mangabe uye wafika la kithi sifike sikukhathazele nje kancane ebese ufika ke la kumele ufike khona umama athola ukujabula.
And I have a friend of mine, so umngani wami, every day, uthatha spoon sempeso. Every day that dude drinks a teaspoon sempeso, and it works every day. So if you know mama, I am a rock. If you know mama, and you know guti awumfikisi like mina afike khona, guys, impeso works.
Mfakane sopheni ukuze umama athole ukujabula.
Bhuti cha uyozwa nje nawe mhlaso olitholile ukuthi uyofuna ukubuya njalo uthi hayibo wezuluphi usibali ngifuna phela ke siyothola isopho usuke la usuka khona uzophuza isopho nje kuphela.
Because thina in Venice ne mpeso
umpeso
wayazi umpeso
ya ukungiyawazi na usengawuchathaza esopheni amagxolo wonke kuseyigxolo konke lokuya izinto leza zasemakhaya izinto zesintu uyayiboya yonke lonto leyo na uyasebenza uthatha nje uchathaza kulesopho kancane uthi
uye wayithatha impeso
hayi bo kahle nje
Ngiyabuza nje.
Yeah.
Ngiyabuza.
hayi angaze nguthathe
Serious, never.
mina nje nginamandla ngaphandle kwexhono
Yeah. Listen, man.
mangigibela nje umama usheshabonga impela ngoba mangeke ngagibela futhi ngiyakutshela futhi hayi kubonga abagibeli
Ubonga
kubonga
abagibeli.
abagibeli manje nina manike
Mangeke ngagibela kubo. Hey, that's dope, man. Mangeke ngagibela. Or moke wagibela. Kubonga umgibeli.
nagibela nivele nishaya ilokhali nishaya amashumi uqhiqhiqhi ushaya amashumi udiliza la uyagibela udiliza la uyagibela udiliza la uyagibela kanti cha ufuna futhi ugibela u-N3 uze uyofinshwa yitheku uyawubona u-N3 angithi uyaphelela eThekwini ufika uthi ngqingo olwandle ufika uvinshwe yitheku ilode lodwa hayi amaningi uyabona iqhude lele nishayayo qhiqhiqhi ishayila anifuneki ifuna futhi ugibela u-N3
One way.
yebo uyabona u-N3 uvinshwa ulwandle
Yeah.
ushaya ilode lodwa uthi udiliza babonga
Oh, the pan u-N3 uvinjwa ulwandle ushaye iload elilodwa, like you rock so hard that uzovinjwa ulwandle when you see ulwandle lwakhe then you know ukuthi you've reached your destination, so ungenile eThekwini. Yeah, this is deeper than I thought, man.
abagibeli bathi awu wazi washayela kamnandi drive
Usifikile
uyabona
lwandle.
hayi le local eshawa la uqiqi uyadiliza la uyagibela uyadiliza akulunge futhi
Akulungu next.
akulunge mfowethu
Listen, man, a lot of people, a lot of artists, not just hip hop artists, had a tough 2021. But you had the biggest song last year, man. How was that for you, eh?
Imali.
How was that?
mfowethu ngicabanga ukuthi mina ukusebenza kanzima ukusebenza kanzima ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuphusha ukufaka umsebenzi uhlezi usestudio nanokuthi mina
How did the song come about? How did the song come about? Ubani ushaya beat?
October uplo mfana lo LA Beats nangiya lapha
Oh, the one with the pink shirt.
lo gqoka into ezimnyama
Oh,
Black on
okay.
black.
yeah uyena ku LA Beats uyumvana washaya ibeat lona
Oh, and then whose idea was it to have the guy who did the chorus?
Intaba seDubai.
indaba yaseDubai
Was it your idea?
no indaba yaseDubai
So you heard the beat.
ibeat bekuela senkabi record LA producer yasenkabi record
So nahlangana kanjani wena noNtaba seDubai kule ngoma?
intaba yaseDubai kusho ukuthi umfana engikholelwe kuye ngiqala ukumuzwa angeke ngisho ukuthi usenesikhathi ephusha kodwa yena usebekhona like ezama ephusha so bebesebenza
Kudala cula. Dala.
bekasebenza nenye nomunye umfowethu abathu udayidenge igama lakhe bathu Stana kwaya wasebenza nomunye umfowethu ke ocula uMaskandi mabesebenza nalo mfowethu loyo ocula uMaskandi kwaya nabo futhi bagcina behlukana I think ngenxa yama contract ukuthi contract abebeyisayinile asiphelile.
I think futhi uNtaba has never had any luck when it comes to contracts. Most contracts that he signs, they very bad deals. I mean, from Ambitious, they also rocked him. And according to Ntaba said Dubai, he hasn't gotten any amount from the hit song that they are speaking about, which is Imaleni. And Big Zulu Maga explained that he was working with Udaideng. I'm sure he was signed. And because of the disputes, I'm sure it's contract disputes. Worked with a guy, Uculu Maskandi, he was signed. Because of the disputes, 40, the contract, he left. That means maybe it's the time he went to Ambitious. And because of the disputes, Ambitious, he left. And the man he has opened his own, I think it's 3.7 Entertainment, something like that. But in terms of contract, if you're an artist, please, man, do yourself a favor, pay a lawyer so that they can go through to the contract for you. And then whatever clauses that you are not in agreement with, then they can be able to amend those clauses before you sign. Before you sign, do the right thing, mafethu.
Uyabo? Abuye futhi. Uyabo? Mayebuya ke manje ubuya usezofuna ukungena kuphi? Enkabi record.
Yakho le.
Yeah, enkabi record company yami usefuna ukuthi sisebenze naye, uyabo? Kuukuthi ke nami ngiqukusayina ama artist umdu engibona uNorman.
Umdu Masilela.
Oh.
This guy.
Then Stubeni LA
Make
bekumele
you
siqale
stupid,
i-album
man.
ke la bese siqalile sirecord i-album
During lockdown.
bekuyi lockdown eyangisakhumbula I think angazi bekuyi lockdown or bekungasiyo
Manecala.
yes mayefika umfana LA awunikeza into abaseDubai ibeat lane siboneni ukuthi yini engaphuma
Yeah.
nangempela afika amnike shaya intwana mayishaya intwana ayingeni mina ayi
This is a hit.
The one.
nayingo uyabo
Yeah.
beyinde mangifika lapha kufike ilalela khatha la nqamla la nayihook
Wow.
uphelele
What do you think makes the song? Because for me, it's the hook.
Yeah, I think the hook in every song, most of the songs, if the hook is bop, even the song becomes bop. But if the hook is catchy, noma ungakhuluma muphi umsangano engomeni, noma ungasho muphi umsangano, but it will be a dope song, man. The hook and the greatest people or the great people who we think of, especially when it comes to hooks. I know Drake is one of them. I know Nasty C is also up in there. I know MT is also up in there. And with this big song, Untabase Dubai, he killed it, man. If you don't know the song and you want to know which song they're speaking about, just on YouTube, search for Big Zulu featuring Untabase Dubai, Imali. This one, Imali. Ening, killed.
angeke ngize ngazi
Because your verse is not needed. I don't even know what you're saying.
Nah, people say Ricky Rick's verse
Uklo
isn't needed.
angiyithandi lento oyishoyo mina whoever wathi Ricky uyabhede engomeni usangena uyagula ngekhanda
Usha abantu, ayithina abantu.
ya ubatshele ke labo bantu bakhe abasho lo ukuthi basangena nawe futhi mawuthi
Because mina ngiyazi chorus.
yenziwa yihook now usangena
Ngiyazi chorus phela. I still don't know what you're saying in your verse.
yeah
Big Zulu nenkani. That's all I know.
phela we understand mabe wenza ingoma
Yeah.
kuba ne concept eniya ngalo we understand mina ngeke ngize ngoba uyini umvenda
Yeah, give
you understand labo mavenda lawa rapper ngesivenda we understand ngoba angisazi isivenda we understand
Yeah.
kodwa mina ngaso sonke isikhathi mangabe ngenza ingoma isiZulu engisunderstand kangcono we understand isilungu ngiyakhona ukusizwa la engikhona khona kokunye ngiphinde
Love your
ngezwe
honesty.
uyangeke ngize ngisho ukuthi ubani owenza ingoma ubani owenzeni if wena ucabanga ukuthi ingoma yenziwa ubani okwakho lokho if wena ucabanga ukuthi yenziwa ubani okwakho lokho mina ngenza ingoma nenkabination abantu abayi-understandayo whoever ongakuzwa lokho akafuseke
Hey, Big Zulu, man, uyalwa. Whoever ungakuzwa lokho akafuseki. But I think abantu abaningi they should learn from this interview. Big Zulu stayed in a lane that he's comfortable with, and eleni naziyo ukuthi uzi-expressa kangcono, which is ukukhuluma ngesiZulu. I think from this interview we are learning ukuthi you shouldn't be ashamed ukuthi English awuyazi. For the fact ukuthi he says English uyayizwa, and not only did he stop there, but he said uyizwa lapho nala azwe khona. But mangaba akazwanga, then he speaks isiZulu. And mangabe unenkinga nokuthi uphike Zulu ukhuluma isiZulu kuma-interview, full sec. We out.